Izingane zikababa uMlangeni zithi zishayeke kakhulu ngokwedlula emhlabeni kukababa wazo.
All is well. This shall come to pass. Papa was a loving person, but at the same time, he was someone that we all went to when we had problems, as Mpumi had said.
Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uPanyaza Lisufi uthi yize engasekho uMlangeni kodwa izimfundiso zakhe ziyohlala ingunaphakade.
In Baba Mlangeni, were the soldier of the People's Army, a leader of a glorious movement, a golfer of note.
UMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi yize ukufa kusephuce isishoshovu somzabalazo kodwa angeke baze baphele amandla ekulweni nezingqinamba ezikhungethe iNingizimu Afrika.
In honor and in memory of Andrew Mlangeni, that we will not submit. We will not submit to coronavirus. We will defeat it. But let us also declare that we will not submit to poverty and inequality. We should also be bold enough to say, we will not submit to corruption and greed, to mismanagement and complacency.
Njengoba inkonzo yomngcwabo kaMlangeni bisezingeni lombuso, izintambo zibe sezinikwa abombutho wezokuvikela.
uMlangeni was a leader's leader. No matter what difficult was thrown at him, he handled it. He was a natural leader who understood how to influence others.
uMlangeni ufihlwa emathuneni aseRodeport entshonalanga yeGoli.